Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a double unboxing right now. Yes, I got two. One is for the actual bays, and one of these are just for parts right here. So yeah. And yes, I'm watching Next Taku. Actually. There. And Project Melody. Yeah. Shush. Okay. Here's the Odin or Odax D6 and Kolossal Fafnir F6. Oh yeah, here's the back. A close-up look at it. Now we'll be doing a tournament, so stay tuned with all the surge bays I get in. So yeah. Also, you can see all my bays. This is on my block table, and I just got done with this tournament battle. I'm probably gonna be doing a combo tournament. I'm gonna be doing some HMS battles, more Plastogen character stuff like that. But yeah, that's probably already done. As I'm recording this, it's 11:38 p.m. Yay. So yeah, let's go. Ugh. There we go. Shit. And it's the 2-packs. Okay, it's just a Beyblade Burst Surge. And then turn that up, so. Actually, I don't feel like doing that. I'm going to just use my scissors, and I need to fix that. Yeah. These are the scissors I use to cut the tape with and stuff like that. That's what's in my room. Okay. Okay. Code at the end of the video for both these. Yeah. I used the other one for a thumbnail shot for you guys. Okay. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. I still have the other ones too. I got 2 of each, so I do got this one and also this one. Yeah. Oh god. Oh god. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna talk about that later. Let's do the weakest link first. I actually really like this one. Odin is freaking. I only have one. Actually, I have 2 Odins now, so now I'm going to have 3 of these layers because it's freaking a pretty good attack type layer. I love this. Well, code will be after. Oop. But yeah, freaking, I love this color. This is what they should have done. This, a color. Yeah, fine. Here we go. Here's the code. And yep. Chi or whatever it's called. Non-balance. That's okay. And this one, Excel. High, Excel. Yay. Oh god, that's tight. But yeah. Gorgeous looking bay though. And I like this color, this purple. Like a violet purple. And a dark purple. No, yeah. Here's the code. Yeah. Another Colossus. I have multiple Colossuses. And this is 1A. Right, no, yeah, 1A, yeah. Yeah, I like this purple. A dark purple, a violent purple. But yeah. I like this. It's pretty heavy bait in part, and in the red non-metal zone. So yeah, this is a zone. Oh god. I'm about to go to bed soon, so yeah, after I record these videos, so be happy. But yeah, hope you guys like this unboxing video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye. Oh god. There we go.